Hey guys, in this video I am unboxing Xiaomi Mi A3. This is actually a concept unboxing or virtual unboxing. Mi A3 is upcoming mid-ranger smartphone from Xiaomi. So, let's unboxing this. This is Mi A3 in black color. In the box, you'll get Xiaomi Mi A3 itself, a 2-amp USB charger and micro USB to USB cable for charging or data syncing. Let's talk about Mi A3. According to recent leaks, Xiaomi Mi A3 features a 6-inch Full HD Plus notch display with 19:9 aspect ratio. It is expected to run on latest Android 9.0 Pie. Under the hood, it is powered by Snapdragon 670 octa-core processor with up to 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. In the camera department, Mi A3 sports triple camera setup with up to 40 megapixel sensors. At front there is dual selfie camera for portrait selfie. Xiaomi Mi A3 is backed by a 4500 mAh battery with fast charging support. Apart from that, it has 3.5mm audio jack too. Keep in mind, these specs are based on leaks and rumors, so I suggest to take this as pinch of salt. So, that's all in this video guys. Like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe this channel for future updates.